Hey nail friends, I'm Faith and I am a brand ambassador with Makartt, and I am here to share my nail journey with you. I hope that my story inspires you to start your nail journey, or if you already do nails, to share your nail journey. So in 2015, I began experiencing pain in my fingers, my wrists, my hands, and it was horrible. My primary care doctor referred me to an orthopedic doctor, and we ran all kinds of tests. I saw him for several months and nothing was working. He then referred me to a rheumatologist, and I began seeing a rheumatologist in 2017. With the continuing pain in my joints and it growing, I retired my career in information technology in 2016. In 2017, I received my first diagnosis of rheumatoid arthritis, and that news was devastating. We tried all types of therapy to get everything under control, and I began seeing a new rheumatologist in 2018. Shortly after seeing my new rheumatologist in 2018, we found out that things are growing fast rather quickly. And I was diagnosed with several autoimmune conditions. But, transparent moment. I did go through a period of depression after working in the information technology field for so long. But I didn't want my story to stop there. So, late in 2018, I began drawing again, and I think I had found my passion. Once again, I began drawing, and I noticed that when I drew for hours. And I'm thinking, how could I draw for so long and not be in pain? It was what I was focusing on. That's what it was. So, from that moment forward, I made it a goal to only focus on doing the things that I love and living in the moment. I decided to revisit all the things of my childhood that brought me true joy. So on the days that I couldn't get out of bed, I would watch my favorite YouTubers do nails for hours. I thought back on my career before information technology, and as a child, I did nails. In September 2019, I picked up my nail brush again and I began to create. I began focusing on that, and when I began to focus on that, I just really, truly enjoyed what I was doing. I didn't notice that I was in pain. I knew that was it. I attended nail school in the following year in October. I graduated nail school January 2021, which is this year. I obtained my managerial license for my state in February. Currently, I am a multi-brand ambassador, a YouTuber, and a content creator. So, if you would like to follow my journey living autoimmune and blogging and doing nails, head on over to my YouTube channel. That link is in my bio. Be sure to follow me on all of my sites. I really do hope that this story has inspired you to start your journey, or if you already do nails, share your journey. Okay? So remember, if you don't like what's in your focus, remember to change it to something positive, because what you focus on becomes bigger. Peace, love, and light. Faith.